I am loving my cute little fake succulent plants. This particular box came with all 6 of these. They're pretty realistic looking even when you're up close here. Now they are pretty small, about 3.5 inches by about 3 inches here. But that means that they're great to really put anywhere in your home, on a TV stand, on your desk, on a shelf, or anywhere that you just need a little extra decor. I love that these are no maintenance because they are fake. Even little rocks in here are very well secure. I would highly recommend these fake succulent plants. They're cute, they're no maintenance, and they're a really nice complement to my space.